think he likes it. This time we received a bit of a prettier package, and I wouldn't like to cut you. Okay. As usual, we are greeted with the warranty card and a small manual. So we've got all the flanges, as you can see, small flanges for the oil cooling, for the downpipe, and the manifold. And this is the culprit itself. And there we go. This is it. Quite a small Turbski, man. Look at that. So much smaller compared to the 2871 that I've got for the MX-5. This is a wastegate. Comes with all the necessary plumbing, as you can see. This is the rear of the turbo, and it's now time to check if there's any shaft play. Shaft play is minimal, and well, it's quite expected, if I'm honest, because there's no oil pressure running through the turbo. Hello! This turbo is what I would consider to be the ultimate for an MX-5, wouldn't you? Well, basically, it's very cheap. It only comes in at about 120 US dollars or 110 euro plus shipping. And the good thing about it is that it's got 1 year of warranty, it's a brand new unit, it's got an internal wastegate, and most importantly, there are many manifolds available for it on the market. It's a standard TD04 flange from the Subarus and some Saabs, so basically you can get a manifold for it from many well-known retailers. It's a great choice for turbocharging your Miata, because since this turbo is out of a 2.0, if you got a 1.6 or 1.8 Miata, you can still get an adequate power output of say around 230 to 250 horsepower, depending on how hard you want to push it, and still get good spool out of it despite being a journal bearing unit. This would be my turbo of choice for a car that's a drift car or an autocross car, and in general uses where turbo spool matters. It would also be a great choice for people having smaller engines, like say Fiat or Alfa Romeo 1.4 T-Jet units. The TD04s are a quite common upgrade, which makes these little motors go from 120 to 230 horsepower. So this is the kind of turbo that would be ideal for these applications. So overall, if you're in the market for a fast spooling and cheap turbo that's going to be efficient for a car from 1.2 to 2 liters on stock internals, then this would be my turbo of choice. Thanks for watching. Check the link in the description out and use the affiliate code for your next purchase to get a discount.